All right, when we have sidewalks aren't accessible, blah, blah, blah. What can you do? I don't know. Let's check. Broken sidewalks, those drive me nuts everywhere. So we gotta pay attention where we're um, going on our wheelchairs. Important. Construction detours. Oh, I hate those too. So trying to go somewhere and then we have to go somewhere, that we want to go, but uh, we had this for weeks getting these sidewalks fixed, and now they're much better. So we got to look at this. So and be careful when we're going through. No curb cuts. I hate those. So where are you gonna go with no curb cuts? Then you have to go to another sidewalk somewhere, or you gotta cross the street or something else. I don't know. So no curb cuts are very problematic if you have a wheelchair that is pretty good with that. So then you have to figure it out. How are you going to do it? So you got to be careful. I want to make sure you can hear me. I think so. All right. So grass or gravel detours. So I have these because I have a big tree, and then I have a sidewalk that's higher than where it's not supposed to, and so then I have to go around the grass. So my wheelchair can do it because it's a power wheelchair. I don't know about your wheelchair. So you got to check really well if you're looking at a sidewalk and with grass, can you get around it? So I don't know. So you got to really work at that and check to see if you're using grass and gravel with your wheelchair. So those are areas that you got to work on, especially if you don't have a power wheelchair or somebody can help you get through with grass or gravel. Oh, so that's hard times sometimes. When it's safer to turn around. So some of us have good turning around. So turns. So I have very good way of turning around. So how about your wheelchairs? You have manual wheelchairs or do you have power wheelchairs? And can you turn around okay to go from one place to another? So you really got to work on that. So that's another situation that you have to make sure that you have to turn around, because sometimes you just have to, depending on your problem. So, and you're driving, so, or getting around. Reporting accessibility problems. So it's really important to call the city, to call the police area, and to call your general in the general place that you want to use, and they can't use you to get from point A to point to B. So if you're using a place, an organization, and you can't get through, then you gotta call that organization and say, hey, there's a problem. So I'm going to make a letter to the city, to the police, and for your organization so I can get through, all right? So that's important to do. And you can do a person that you can talk to, an organization that can talk to you about the problem, and they will fix the situation. So sometimes the organization can just do it, can fix it, but if you have to do all those parts, then, sometimes we have to do that. To advocate for other organizations, for other wheelchair users. So that's one of the things that is really, really important for us, to broken sidewalks, to fix the construction areas, to ask them to do new curb cuts, that they need those. Here at my sidewalk area, they just did some new curb cuts. So, and I can check now. I can go through the street without being killed. So, ta-da! And sometimes people have to change the grass and the gravel and figure out that detours so we can get through with the sidewalks. And that's all there is. It's just, they're just going to have to do it for us. When it's safer to turn around, sometimes we just have to turn around and find a better way to get through. So sometimes that's just the way it is. So think about it. Be patient. And we're getting through situations. So it takes some time to get through from point to point A to point D to point Z to point wherever we're trying to go. So I had to do that. And reporting. Sometimes we just have to report. And here I just talked to about maybe a year before, when they were going to do the street, they were going to redo the street. And I said to the organization, I said, no, wait a minute. We have problems with the tree and with the sidewalk. Why don't you just ask the city to just make the issue on the sidewalk, to just redo the sidewalk in that section? So while they're fixing the street, so just do it now. So I think they fixed it all for the tree. So I gotta see to see if they fixed it. So I gotta go out there to see what's going on. Anyway, that's part of our life as wheelchair users. So see if you can work through that, and let me know how everything is going so that sidewalks are available for you, for me, for all of us. So let's work towards all of these issues with sidewalks. This is important, really. So it's important for you, but so many other people. So let's do it. Let's do it. Be careful with and thank you for the likes and the subscribes. Thank you so much. And if you have a new one, you don't have a subscribe, let me know. You don't have to. Likes are helpful, and any of this is helpful to me, to the channel. So thank you so much, and I hope to see everybody soon. Hopefully you have better situations with sidewalks. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.